guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to read Night, Night, Sleep Tight Farm Animals. Turn the pages to tuck us in. Let's start. Okay, we are going to read Night, Night, Sleep Tight Farm Animals. Let's start. On the farm, the day is done. In the sky, a setting sun. Wow, look at it. Clouds of purple, pink, and red. It's time to put the farm in bed. Fluffy chicks are gentle yawning. Cockatiel, shh, until the morning. What? Night, night, chicks. Now don't complain. Tomorrow you can play again. Further down the farmyard path, the lambs have had their bath. Wow, me. Let's open this page. Night, night, lambs. It's time for bed. Snuggle down and rest your heads. Close that page and let's do the next page. Fuzzy duckling start to cry. Hush, let's sing a lullaby. Night, night, duckling, don't you frown. It's time for you to settle down. Calves are thirsty. One more drink. Some nice warm milk from cow, I think. Night, night, calves. And night, night, cow. No more mooning. Quiet now. Little fool, it's time to stop. No more neighs, no more clip-clops. Time for a good night kiss. Let's check there's no one that we've missed. See if we didn't lost any that we've missed. Night, night, chicks, okay? Night, night, lambs, okay? Night, night, ducklings. Night, night, calves. Night, night, flow. Close the barn, and now we're done. Night, night, sleep tight, everyone. There's chicks, there's lambs, there's ducklings, there's calves, there's cows, there's fowls, and there's nothing else. So about this book is that it's bedtime on the farm, and we could turn the special shapes. So, bye. I hope you like our channel. Subscribe and like. Bye.